Just before 10 o'clock, a Clackamas County deputy is in pursuit of a silver Mercedes through a North Clackamas neighborhood. The driver of the Mercedes traps himself on a dead-end street. He and his female passenger attempt to escape on foot.
Hey, stop now! You're in the right!
But they don't get far before the deputy cuts them off and backup arrives. A resident captures the incident on his cell phone. They are quickly taken into custody, and the driver starts complaining about chest pains. He claims he was trying to get to the hospital on Sunnyside Road.
Victor 5, start medical for this guy now complaining of chest pains. We got an ambulance coming for you, partner. Do you have a wallet somewhere with your name on it?
No.
You got ID or something?
No.
Yeah.
No, there's a gun in here. Oh, there's a gun in there.
So either you tell us the honest truth about the gun or your passenger's going to. Hey, what are you driving all crazy for, dude? Huh?
Weed.
Some weed that looks like some wet mess.
What is this?
Who'd you buy that from? Not a friend, evidently. All right, well, we got medical coming to come help you out.
Did you finish searching here?
Yeah.
I know, you got it.
A search of the firearm serial number reveals it was reported stolen out of Marion County. Clackamas Fire and AMR paramedics arrive to render aid and transport the driver to the hospital. As the deputy completes his search of the driver, the list of charges continues to grow.
Any more drugs in your wallet? Who's this? Huh?
What was at her house? I put my money in there. I didn't know.
What kind of?
I don't know. It's one of her friends, probably.
What, you didn't see the ID in there?
No,
Who's this guy?
I didn't know. I don't know. I asked her. She knows.
Okay.
I just my money's mine.
The money? Oh, the money's
I
yours?
put the money in there, but I put the money.
Yeah, but the ID's not yours?
No, I asked her if I got the wallet.
Yeah. Okay. Well,
You
that's
can
identity
ask her-
theft, so
Oh my God.
there's no reason for you to have that. Answer their questions. I have a feeling you're not going to tell me a straight line this whole time, so I'm a little bit over it.
Really good stuff.
Well, I was just cruising to go get fuel, and he's cruising like 66. I'm like, oh, whatever. And then I go to pass him and take the exit. He starts to slow down and sees me, and he's like talking on his phone, like, yeah, here. I'm like, I'll stop him. And it's like, oh, we're picking up speed, and then it's like A lane, taking 212A. It's like, all right.
Well, I'm glad he came back here.
Is he under arrest?
Yeah.
Is there any way we can get the cuffs off and put him in our restraints?
You can check the gun for prints. It's not mine. Check the gun for prints. It's not
Well,
mine.
no, it's not yours because it's stolen, so you don't have to tell me that.
When deputies search the vehicle, they find forged checks and other personal information, some matching the name on the stolen ID found on the driver. After a short visit to the hospital, the driver was transported to the Clackamas County Jail. He was booked on the following charges. The passenger was released from custody. After further investigation, deputies referred her case to the DA's office for the charges of forgery 2 and possession of a forged instrument 2.